I did not start revising for my GCSEs until February half term, and I came out with almost straight grade 9s, so you can too. I'm here to deliver the unfortunate news that you do in fact have to lock in at this point of the year, but do not worry, this is how you are going to start your revision this half term. First things first, understand that revision doesn't have to be difficult, it doesn't have to be painful, it can actually be enjoyable. Likelihood is you've heard all of this stigma around exam revision, locking in, burning out. No. You're going to start small and you're going to start steady because consistency beats intensity. The first thing you need to do is not even related to work. You just need to sit down and identify what you want to revise. You can't just say, okay, I need to revise everything before the exam. You need to identify where you are going to start, and you need to start with those topics and subjects that you are weakest at. Grab your specification, grab some past papers that you have done, grab some end of topic tests, whatever it may be. Go through that specification, so a list of topics that you need to know for the exam, and red, amber, green checklist. I know you are sick of hearing this. However, if you haven't done it, you need to do it. There is a reason that so many teachers recommend it. It's because it is actually helpful. You really do need to start with those things that you misunderstood. But one thing that teachers miss out is that you should start with the first thing that you misunderstood first. I would have no idea how to talk about a franchise in business studies if I didn't know about the concept of profit and cost. If I misunderstood that, that's what I need to go over first, and this extends to every single subject you do, particularly maths and science. So what are you going to do? If you fundamentally don't understand something, pull up a YouTube video, be making notes, but don't just write down what they're saying word for word. Don't just watch it either. Make sure you are pausing and picking out key diagrams, definitions, phrases. Essentially be making yourself some condensed notes, a little cheat sheet if you will, for that topic, and then immediately go apply that knowledge to an exam question or try to use some sort of active recall. So maybe explain back what you have learned using the Feynman technique. I touched on exam practice. You really do need to do practice paper questions. People are sick of, Study Talk is saying it, but you need to do them. There is no magic fix and there is no better practice for the exam than the exam itself. So how much should you be revising? Just aim for 3 revision tasks per day to begin with. Ease yourself in. And when I say 3 revision tasks, focus on, okay, I want to revise vectors in math. I want to revise longshore drift in geography. To do so, I'm going to watch a YouTube video, or maybe you are going to review your notes, maybe you're going to do some flashcards, whatever it is. Make sure you have this specific revision task on your to-do list, because we are learning how to sustainably revise for our exams this year.